Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. We have the Makartt Your Nail Lab box, but I have to tell you what's going on with Makartt. They've changed their structure for the Your Nail Lab. This is the box that I received in August. August is the first month that they have converted from a monthly subscription to a quarterly subscription. So we're no longer going to receive these every month. They're going to be every 3 months. And I don't know if those months are going to be the same for everyone or if it's just based on the when you signed up. Also, they've reduced the price. So it's gone down from $35 to only $25. $25 4 times a year, that's $100. However, if you subscribe and pay for the whole year at once, it's $90. So you save $10. Not a massive savings, but it's a good amount of savings. And I think this is really going to improve what they've got going on. Let's see what's in here and then we'll talk about it. As always, paper, but they have not resumed the cards and they probably will not. So here is our contents. And just real quick before we dig in, I wanted to tell you they're closing the Your Nail Lab website and moving it all to the Makartt website. So it'll be on the Makartt website under the subscription box tab. So first we have a polygel nail extension gel. This one is called Odyssey, O-D-Y-S-E-A it looks like. Alright, so as we have been doing, we're just going to do our swatches on this little piece of card. It's the box this came in. Alright, so this one is a bluey purple. It's a glitter. It appears to be a bit reflective as well. If this thing would stay in focus, that'd be really cool. I guess I'll just have to zoom it in post so you can see it. The next extension gel we have is called Glow. Alright, and so this one appears to be a white. I'm curious though if this is actually going to glow in the dark, because why call it glow if it doesn't? And then it's just a white, so we're going to find out. And then we have another one. This one is called Daydream. In fact, I got this one in my very last box. So I'm not going to swatch this one because I've already got one open, and if you wanted to see what it looked like, you can watch that last video if you haven't, but it is a really nice nude, and I in fact used it in the set that I did in that last video. Let's just pull this out first. This one is a nail liner. It is white, just plain white as you would expect. I already have their black one, and I think I might have a purple reflective one, and then also a gold one. The next polish we have is called Akoya, A-K-O-Y-A. This indicates it's going to be sparkly. Alright, so when we pull it out, it's actually more like a shimmer. It's a clear base, and it's like a pinky purple shimmery micro glitter. Let's put some of it on our paper. Oh, and it's also got a bit of an iridescent in the clear base. It's giving like a white cast, but also like a green reflect. And then we turn it, it's kind of got some orange hints. I don't know if you can see them, but I can. I actually really like that. Next, we have this blue glittery one called Shallow Seas. Alright, and so when you pull this one out, it's very blue, very pretty, but it's also a bit of a shimmer. It's got a green shimmer in it. Let's put this on the card as well. That's super pretty. Ooh, I like that a lot. That is so pretty. I love the base color, but I love also the shimmer because it just gives it a little bit of something extra. And that is certainly my vibe, and I think these actually look really good together. So far, I'm liking what I'm finding in here. So it actually looks like we've received 2 that are exactly the same. I don't know if that was intentional or if that was an accident, but there's no way I'm going through 2 of these, so I may include one in a giveaway. And then this is the last thing. This one is called Natalie Nude. Alright, and when you pull it out, it's a bit of a sheer peachy pink, but also, look, it's got star glitters and bar glitters, and they're hollow. Oh yeah, that's so cute. It definitely feels like it's in that kawaii type of nail art, but also I bet I could make that work in like a punky type of set too. That's adorable. I like that. Okay, so just to recap, this is what we have. We have 3 technically polygels, but one of them's a redo. We have 3 polishes, 4 technically, but one of them is a duplicate, and then we have a gel liner, which is a 5th. So we got 8 items total for 25 bucks. Now I would say that's definitely worth the money. I think if you have given up on the Your Nail Lab box because it was kind of getting a little sparse for what we were getting, maybe try it again. Maybe try the quarterly, because I'm optimistic about what we've got here. Let me pop this in the lamp though. Alright, these have come out of the lamp, so I just wanted to show you. These are hard. I did do 60 seconds, and these are fully cured, which is great. Good quality there. Alright guys, well, as you may notice, this is the situation. I forgot to actually record the in-between pieces, so we did use the glow shade of the polygel and these dual forms to put on some nails, and then I'm going to pop these off and get these shaped up, and then we're going to do some nail art with potentially these 3, but I haven't fully worked out that plan yet. Alright, so we've got these filed down and shaped, and now they're looking spectacular. Now we need to figure out how we're going to use these to decorate. I know for one thing we're definitely going to do 2 nails of this one. So let me do that, and then while we're doing that, we'll think about what to do about the rest. We're winging it, guys. Alright, so we've got the pink on this, and then what we've decided is to do this one, the shimmery one, solid on this nail, and then like just the framing French on these others. So we're gonna do that real quick. I know this is probably hard to see because of the white, it just kind of glows. Alright, so we'll cure that and then do a second coat. Alright, it is time to do some more decorating. We're going to go in with this Makartt rhinestone glue and these rhinestones. And we're going to put some on here. And then we're going to put some top coat on top of this so that it is not sticky after, and I don't have to top coat around those stones. Alright, so that looks pretty even. I think we're going to flash cure that so it doesn't move. Okay, so we've got this one done, and then we're going to go in and put a little bit of crystals on these other nails. But we're going to bury those with top coat because they are just smaller crystals. They don't need rhinestone glue. Flash cure that so it doesn't move while we do our other ones. Alright guys, so this is what we've got, and I feel like we utilized our box to the best of our ability. We've got some sparkle, we've got some pink, we've got some white. We did bring our own rhinestones. I did have them already, they didn't come with the box, but these are the kind of things that you may already have at the house. If you want to try the Makartt box, I will have that link down below for you. I'm not an affiliate with Makartt, unfortunately, but Makartt, if you want to change that, hit me up. But definitely the boxes, I think they're well worth the $25 now that they've changed their structure. And this will be the last one of these for a while since they're quarterly. I don't know if they're doing them by season and this is the fall box, or again, like I said earlier, if they're doing them by when you sign up and this is just the August box. I don't know. But for purposes of the video, I'm probably going to call it the fall box so that it lines up with my Orly schedule. You are going to be seeing some photos outside of the nails. Probably seeing those now. Unfortunately, it's rainy, so you're not getting as much glisten as I would like, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any of these products already that came in this box, and if you've got any boxes that had duplicates in it, because that's kind of wild. But other than that, I will wrap it up and stop talking, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.